Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable DAC for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by opening the application and then click on your earbuds here. Then scroll down and you need to find Bluetooth connection quality. Bluetooth audio quality. And right here we have it. So tap on it and here is the DAC. Firstly, if you want to use LDAC, you can't use dual connection because it can reduce Bluetooth connection quality. So and you just can't. As you can see now, I click on it, click sure, and nothing happened. So firstly we need to disable dual connection and then we can enable DAC. So you just tap at the slider near to it and then click sure. Now we should wait a bit. And we did it. Now, I recommended to check is connection quality changed because not all phones support LDAC. If you have premium phone, I guess your phone supports it. So how we can check it? You need to enter developer option. If you don't know where to find it, on this channel we have instruction how to enter developer option on any Android phone. So welcome. And now we need to find Bluetooth codecs. So we just scroll down and we look at it. Yeah, and right here we have Bluetooth audio codec, and as you can see, I have LDAC. So maybe your phone didn't support it, and you will have some another codec. That means that it makes no sense to use LDAC. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!